Jamie, you head up the Irish market for the Engineering Technology Group. How are things in the marketplace at the moment for you?
Yeah, it's been very good. We've had a bit of a stable year last year, and a lot of stuff that we're doing is project driven. So some of those projects are starting to come through now. So we're starting to see a nice early order book for January. Some of the stuff we're doing is high-end stuff.
That's good. And you've recently brought Mark into the business. What's your role at the company, Mark?
To assist in the sales and the business development of the market in Ireland.
And I mean, that's a good thing. The business must be growing for you to bring in more bodies to in that sort of area.
Yeah, what we're doing is a lot of the area that we're into is, as I said earlier, is the high spec machines. So twin turret, triple turret, that kind of technology, which is high demand. We offer the service, the applications on top of that. So we just need an extra hand just to try and dig out some more of those applications.
And have you got much experience of the Irish market, Mark?
Since October I have, yeah.
Well, it's only a small market, you can pick it up quickly, can you?
I mean, the automotive and aerospace is significantly in the north, which we've got to try and exploit now because there's lots of opportunities there. And then we're well on with the medical side down in the south. So.
Well, I joke and say it's a small market. It's not. It's very much far from that. I mean, what are the main markets for you, Jamie, and how big are they?
Well, Northern Ireland is obviously, I think a lot of people know, is aerospace. Very big. Bombardier's up there. There's a lot of subcontractors from that business. So then you got down in the south, which is medical driven. Anything from knee implants, hip implants, joints, anywhere that needs an implant, basically, you know.
And one of the things that is great about ETG in Ireland is the fact you've got a facility there where you've got machines, you've got demonstrations running, so people can kind of touch and feel the business and not just think they're being dealt with from overseas. That'll help you, won't it, Mark?
Yeah, because we've got a complete showroom down there. We've got the app support, we've got the service support. We are a self-sufficient little business unit in Ireland, which I think the Irish market appreciates.
And you've been on tour with us here this week. Some of the factories you've seen, is it blown you away?
Yeah, but some of them, we're just finding a market for it now in Ireland.
I'm sure you're well positioned to do that. Just for our viewers, tell us whereabouts you are based, Jamie, in Ireland, if people want to.
We're basically 30 minutes west of Dublin, so Dublin Airport, you can hit us in 30 minutes. But as a location in Ireland, we are 2.5 hours from anywhere in Ireland. So
and the machines that you have there at the moment.
Yeah, we have an NTY3, Nakamura NTY3, which is a triple turret machine. We have a halter robot system, which we're hoping to have in our open house in March. So that's going to be up and running on there. We're going to have a 4-axis machine or 4+1 machine from Quasar. And we've also got a meter machine, 3-axis meter machine. So we always anticipate, or we always try and have at least 3 or 4 machines running in the showroom.
And if I was looking for a machine, Mark, one of the most important things for me is about service engineers, support. How do you go about answering that question for prospects?
Support based in Ireland that we can offer on a call-out basis. And we've got the call-out from the UK as well, because we're part of the UK group.
And how many engineers would you have, Jamie?
In the Ireland we have 2 engineers, 2 apps engineers, but as Mark says, we have the exposure to the UK market, to the UK side. So in total we've got 19 service engineers available to us and at least 9 application engineers available.
That's pretty good. That's pretty uncommon, isn't it, in the Irish market? Have you seen that before like that?
I haven't seen the support in the markets there before.
Good stuff.
I think the customers appreciate that when we get a machine installed and they can see the support we do.
Excellent. So any projects or any machine sales, you can talk to these guys at ETG Ireland.